Hi friends, this is Hitesh from Anukilkas Pathan Academy. Today we will be back with some another problem statement of SQL, that is cities with the completed trades. So let's see what is the problem statement. So basically assume you are given a table that is containing the completed trade order and the user details. So till now we will understand we have given the two tables, which is one is related to trade and another is related to user details, which were in working under the Robinhood trading system. So basically we have to write the query to retrieve the top 3 cities that have the highest number of completed trade orders, which is listed in descending order. So we are trying to fetch the number of order which were order is completed, and we have to sort that list in descending order. Descending order, as we all know, maximum to minimum, and we have to fetch the city name along with their corresponding number of completed orders. Okay, so let's see what is the data of the given in the table. So first table is a trade which belongs to the um, 6 columns, and the status is one of the interesting one, which were given the two option, that is completed or cancelled, whether the order can be cancelled or completed, within which timestamp that order should be cancelled or completed, and the respected data will be given to you or as the order id, that is the user according on which user id that has ordered the that product. And each user should be identified by the user id, what are the price they had allotted for that order, how many quantities they had ordered, what are the status of that order. At the later stage it may be cancelled, at the later stage it may be completed, on which timestamp that order should be completed or cancelled, that is given to in a form of datetime data type. And the next table, that is user, as we all know, as the name of the name suggests, it will give the complete information about the user. So we will give the four columns, that is a four row or four columns, that is user id, city, email, and sign up date. Expected data is given to you, and we have to fetch only those user with a corresponding city. Those orders should be completed and the number of orders they had ordered which are completed. So we have to write those. Mm, According to that we have to write query. So till now we will understand we have to use here joins. Okay, so basically join is an operation that is used to combine two or more rows, two or more table, which is based on the relation between the columns. And from till now we will get to know here the one column which is common in both the table, that is just user id. So for that we will apply inner join here. Okay, simple. If the any column is common between the two or more tables, so for that we will use inner join. So let's try. We have to write the query. Select from name of the table as is trades, as then we given the alias as t. T, we will give the alias as t. Now we have to write here join, which we were trying to join this table with the another one, that is another table is users. We will given the alias as u. Now we want to apply the joins on those column which were common on both the tables. So for that we will use here on keyword. So we will trying to apply joins on these two tables by using common column, that is user ID. Okay, so we have given the condition. Now we have to given the condition by using where clause. So we want those we want those cities. Now cities belongs to here user table. So for that we will write u dot city. Now we want the total number of orders. So total number of orders will be identified as a order ID, and the order ID is belongs to order ID is a column which is belongs to trade table, which were given the alias as t dot order ID order ID. So we want the how many users has ordered. So for that we will write here count, that is the aggregate function, which will given as a name of the column is total orders. Okay, so till now we had written correct. So now we have to given the condition where the status is completed, and the status is a column which is belongs to uh, trade. So that is t dot status. So we want those user whose status is completed. So for that we had write the completed in the within the string. Now we want the number of user those order is completed. So for that we will write group by clause, and we will trying to apply the group by on city, and city is a column which belongs to user table. Now we want the maximum top 3 orders. So for that we will apply here order by clause, and we will apply the order by clause on total orders. So that is a from here itself number of user ID. We want so now we want total order. So now we want to fetch top 3 orders. So for that we will write here top 3 orders. So for that we will write basically top 3 maximum orders. So for that we will write desk, that is a descending order. While we applying the order by clause with any column with the desk that is descending, it will fetch the column from maximum to minimum. So for that we will write desk, that is descending order, and we want only top 3. So for that we will write here limit keyword. We want top 3 orders. So for that we will write limit 3. So we had tried all the columns we had written. So let's see whether we will get correct output or not. Okay, yeah, we will get the correct output. So basically in this problem statement we have to focus on two or three concepts. First one is join. Then first of all we have to read this question calmly. Okay, we have to understand what concept is going on. So in this table it is quite obvious. We have to apply inner join because column which is common on both the tables. So for that we will write inner join, and next we have to apply the aggregate function, that is count. and order by clause, which is we have to fetch the descending order, that is maximum to minimum. We want to fetch top 3 orders, so for that we will use limit keyword, and the limit keyword is followed by the 3 because we want top 3 orders, so for that we have written limit 3. And elsewise, that is this query is simple, so we will get the expected one. Let's see whether this query is submitted or not. So we will, yeah, this query is submitted. So if you have any doubt regarding this query, please comment us. Do subscribe this channel. Thank you.